Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be removing this throttle body and cleaning it because I know there's gonna be some buildup in there, and it seems like it's very simple. I mean, just remove like this throttle body cable. So I can't do it with one hand. Oh, there you go. And undo this line. Also remove this hose up here. So the one down here. Now these 4 lines, they should be able to pull off real quick. Oh, there you go. And then I'll do this one with the 10mm. Do it from this side also. Let me get this tube out of the way. Alright, so now I have this sensor to disconnect, throttle position sensor, this line, and this one up here. Okay. Now, seems like these 2 lines also have to come off. So let me try to reach in there. So if I can remove them with these. I'm gonna get to all 4 of these 12mm bolts. There's one here. And then there's another one back here. So there's this coolant line. I'm gonna just let it drain for now. And then there's that other line down there that needs to be removed. That one right there. Let me get that real quick. Good thing I picked up another gasket for the throttle body. And you can see there's so much carbon buildup in there, as well as in there. But I'm gonna try to get as much as I can off of that. I know I'm not gonna be able to reach all the way through, but whatever I could get. Well, I got as much as I could out of there, and I was gonna try to pull the little butterfly out, but it seems a bit too complicated, so all I did was spray it down as much as possible. And then I cleaned this surface real good with the blade, just so the gasket could have a clean surface. And this is the gasket I picked up from Pro. So that's how it goes. I have to clean this real good. Make sure that there's nothing left on here. Try to wet the rag with some brake cleaner and wipe it down in here. I'm ready to put the throttle body back on, and I'm gonna start by connecting that lower hose and this one up here, just because it's gonna be a tight fit once everything is on. I think everything is back where it should be, so I'm gonna turn it on. And I just want to show you guys all the gunk that I removed. It was a quick little job, but well, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at @youngkid_oxcfilms. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.